Hey folks, how you all doing? In this video, I am designing the high level flow of the Lifeline app. Before jumping into the tools or code, I always start with a pen and paper. This is how I am planning the flow chart for all the users, the patient, doctor, ambulance, and admin. Starting from the login to the task completed by the respective users, I will explain the diagram later by showing draw.io because I further refined it from what was done on the paper. Once the draft is done on the paper, let's convert this into digital flow chart using draw.io. Here's how I started. Draw.io is a free tool and it is pretty easy to use. All the shapes, the icons and the figures are available on the left side and we can choose whatever we need. Just drag and drop and connect the arrows and then you are done. I am keeping this simple, clean and readable. Just the main actions and the connections. Drawing the flowchart helps validate whether the idea makes sense before going into deeper. And there will be a clarity as to how the flow goes, what are the connections, etc. At this stage, the goal is clarity, not complexity. So as you can see, now the flowchart is ready. Yeah, there may be refinements further, but for now the high level flowchart is ready. There is start, then login, existing. If he is an existing user, then it goes to the user type, else they have to register and log in back. Then comes the users, patients, doctor, ambulance and admin. Once the user logs in, it goes to the respective dashboard. When the patient logs in, it goes to the patient dashboard. If the patient wants to book an appointment, he searches for the doctors, then views the available slots and confirms the booking. If the patient wants to book the ambulance, he searches for the nearest ambulance and then confirms the booking. Then comes the doctor. The doctor opens his dashboard. He sets the available slots, views or accepts the requests and then confirms it and checks the patients. Then comes the ambulance. The ambulance driver logs in. He comes to the driver's dashboard. He views the incoming requests and then if he wants to accept the ride, he will accept and navigate and update the status, else he rejects the ride. Then comes the admin. The admin opens his dashboard. The admin manages the users, slots and system-wide data. All flows integrate three-tier architecture for seamless front-end back-end sync. This is still evolving. If you have any suggestions or see any gaps, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.